Hello and welcome to Hornbill TV's News Pulse. I'm Akivito. The National General Secretary of the National People's Party, Muchu Mitti, has asserted that the NPP will increase its footprints in Nagaland in the coming elections in 2023. Speaking to media persons at the party's office today in Dimapur, Mitti said that Nagaland plays a vital role in the entire northeast where people assert identity with religious vigor. The state's NPP advisor and former three-time MLA of Nagaland, Dio Nuku, was also present at the conference with State President Dr. Andrew Ahoto. Nuku made known that the NPP will not mind an alliance if needed, be it with a party that has major votes in the 2023 elections.
Well, first of all, I would like to thank the people of Nagaland. Nagamanu Khan Hoday, our National People's Party ke moram diya se, and so we came here to give also thanks to the people of Nagaland, but also to see how the National People's Party can increase our footprints in the state. And it is now time that we really start looking into our strategy, that we really look into Nagaland, because Nagaland is very important for not just for the NPP, but for the whole Northeast region. The state of Nagaland is very important because we realize that the people of Nagaland asserts their regional identity with religious vigor. They are very independent people. They love their culture. संस्कृति जो है उनके साथ जुड़ा रहता है, जड़ से जुड़ा रहता है. Whether it's your land, whether it's your forest, whether it's your resources, संसाधन जो होता है, you are totally attached with your land. And this is what we see, what we have seen in the past 4 to 5 years, that the regional identity of every state needs a common platform. While there are regional parties in Nagaland that is ruling the government since the last 20 to 20 plus years, you have the NPF and you have the NDPP regional forces out here, but their presence is contained to the states of only Nagaland. We believe the aspirations of the people of Nagaland needs a bigger platform, and hence this is the reason why we want to increase our footprints in this state, a very vital, important state of Nagaland. In every state we have our own identity, we have our own value system. It is the ideological जो हमारा विचार होता है, उसी को लेके हम लोग आगे बढ़ता है. And when we, after election, as the numbers comes, when we see what kind of numbers the people have given it, then we make a decision based on that. So largely pre-poll, during pre-poll elections, understanding right now, it is not very conducive to speak about it. But as and when time comes, hopefully, if we can get the support of other parties also, if our thought process, are similar, then of course that is there. But at the same time, build your own party first. People will only आपको तवज्जो तो भी देंगे. People will only come with you if you are strong. So we need to build that strong force. We are optimistic and we hope he will get even bigger numbers of legislators in Manipur than even the ruling party. Now, this has come as a very big surprise to all the people of Manipur also, to the press also, there also, that suddenly, NPP really shot up. So that is how we work. We put our strategies forward. We don't really, go through propaganda process. We put up a candidate, we see strategically online and this thing. And now it transpired that, in Manipur, NPP is the next biggest party after the BJP ruling government. And we are hoping that we become the largest party in Manipur. It is known to all the political parties, it is known to all leaders what kind of money culture prevails during election process. Now, where does that money come from? This is not any rocket science. And so, if you want to stop money culture, you have to bring in transparency. The government funds that are going on into the development of the social sectors, whether it is in building tangible capital expenditure that you do, building roads, bridges, communication lines, यातायात जो बनाता है, that money and those channeling of funds has to be very transparent. Then only you can lower the exercise of money during election process. And so our aim is to provide that. If we happen to make a government in Manipur, our aim is to provide that. Our aim is to provide transparency. Our aim is to provide also, if we have some stake in the next government in Nagaland, our aim is to push forward for transparency in all works related, government schemes related works. We are all fighting for in the same pie. Now, we feel we are strong. In the valley also, parts of the hills also, we feel we are very strong. So, there is no point in taking these discussions ahead, because we know we are going to put up candidates where our alliance partner is also going to field their candidate, because they feel that is their gut hai, varchasva jo hota hai, dominance, they feel it is there. We feel this is where we will dominate. So we are fighting in the same sphere, in the same segments, in the same constituencies. So so there was no case of even having a talks for pre-poll alliances, and so we went up ahead. Our national president went there and declared that no pre-poll alliance. We are not in any discussions. We are going to fight with our own identity. We are going to fight the elections, and then when the results comes out, then we'll make our decisions based on it.
We are here pro-secular, pro-youth, pro-development, and pro-whatever you name positive side. That's why we are here. And we have grown from strength to strength, I would say that. That's why we are the only regional party which has become a national party. We walk the talk, I will say that, NPP. We walk the talk, and we are here for development, and we are here for the unity of one Northeast, one voice. Our slogan is that, one voice, one Northeast. And we will also support the regional party across the Northeast. Our dream is that one day, all the regional party come together, the 24 MPs, and form one cluster head, so that we can also demand whatever we have, the aspiration that the development of Northeast can become. So we have that kind of a thing, like when the Northeast can come together as one family, then we can demand a lot of things for development of the Northeast. It's far bygone days that we have been underdeveloped. We have not been seeing the rays of hope, but we see that under the banner of NPP, we see that tomorrow there will be surely an hope, and we are going to bring a transformation. We can see the work that has been done in Arunachal, we can see the work done in Manipur, and also in Manipur, where Meghalaya and Manipur it's immense, and I wish that one day Nagaland also will transform, reform for the glory of everybody, not for one selfish individual, but for everybody. That's what we look at.